भारत 17 वर्सां खाला पिरायेच्या गटा खातीर ऑक्टोबर 2017 फिफा वर्ल्ड कप आयोजीत करता। केंद्रीय आर्म पुलीस दलाच्या फुडारपणा खाला ही उर्जा टुर्नामेंट फुटबॉल टॅलंट हंट जावपाची आसा। आरडीएक्स गो खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
सीने में चिंगारी ऊर्जा ऊर्जा, पैरों में अंगारे ऊर्जा ऊर्जा, दिल में बस जीत है ऊर्जा ऊर्जा, ये विक्ट्री का गीत है ऊर्जा ऊर्जा। जोर लगा दौड़ लगा हर एक कटे होड़ लगा, तेरे मैदान में आ जा।
कि फुटबॉल इस देश का खेल है और गोवा में आप तो जानते हैं कई भी स्टेट में इतने फुटबॉल प्रेमी नहीं मिलेंगे, वो गोवा में है। और इस खेल को बढ़ावा देने के लिए एक बड़ा कदम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने उठाया, आप सबने उसको एक्सेप्ट किया हुआ है और इसलिए एक ऐसा मौका हमें मिला हुआ है ऊर्जा 2017 के जरिए, और हमारे देश को जहां हम पीछे है वहाँ आगे ले जाने के लिए निश्चित तौर से हमारी प्रयास होंगे।
We talk about football, a game which teaches us discipline, which teaches us ethics, which teaches us teamwork, something which teaches a lot of life in all of us. And a game like football definitely teaches you a lot as you take the steps up in your career, whichever field you go in. Mr. Bruno Coutinho is a legend in Goa. We have seen him play when we were kids. And I'm sure even today, if he plays with the under-19 teams, he'll be a force to reckon with. Because this talent could play anywhere on the football ground. You put him on the midfield, you put him as a forward, you put him anywhere, and he would perform. This was the talent we had. This was the talent which performed. And I'm very happy that a brand ambassador, which the Urja and CAPF decided for Goa, was Bruno. A right person for the right job. I would only advise, give a small piece of advice to all the young captains and their teams out here. This is a platform for all of you all to show that we are somewhere. And Goa has been a place where football is not only close to the heart of every Goan, but football definitely is in the blood of every Goan. And for that opportunity, what you have got today from the particular tournament, don't lose it. Take a maximum opportunity of it.
We know India is proudly hosting the FIFA Under-17 World Cup from 6 to 28 October 2017, and the government has already committed full support and assistance in making this tournament a successful venture for India sports. This will be India's first in hosting a major international football competition. This event will provide the opportunity to showcase world-class operation standards. On the aspect of the tournament would be the Mission India 11 million grassroots program to encourage children to play, which aims in improving the game.
CISF Western Sector has been assigned with the responsibility of conducting this tournament in the state of Maharashtra, Goa, Daman and Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli from 1st May to 10th May of 2017. The matches in Goa will be played at Nagoa Football Ground and Navelim Football Ground, whereas the inaugural and final match will be played at Bambolim Stadium on 1st May and 10th May respectively. The winning team will be awarded cash prize of 50,000. The runner-up will get rupees 30,000 and hardline team will be awarded 20,000 rupees.